Hi everyone, yasas que kalos tirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're going to be making lemony orzo with feta and pesto. It's rich, it's delicious, yet it's so simple to make, and it goes good with everything from lamb to chicken. I love to serve this with shrimp or salmon. It's so good and it comes together in like 30 minutes. You really can't beat that. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin with a skillet heating over medium heat. I'm going to add some olive oil, just the tiniest bit because pesto is very oily. I just grated 4 to 5 garlic cloves and I'm going to add them in here. You can add less because pesto also has lots of garlic in it. And we're just going to warm this through until it's fragrant. Next, I'll add my uncooked orzo to this, 2 cups of dried orzo. I'll just toast it for a minute or two until it gets a little bit of color. And then I'll squeeze some lemon juice over it, just the juice of half a lemon. Next, we'll add 4 cups of chicken broth. If you want to keep this vegetarian, you could just add water or vegetable broth to this. Season with some salt. Since there's 2 cups of orzo, I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, but if your broth is salty, add less. Some freshly cracked pepper and some crushed red pepper flakes. Mix this all up and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and put the lid on. Let the pot simmer for about 12 to 13 minutes until the orzo is al dente. Most of that broth should have evaporated by now. It should have been absorbed by the orzo. At this point, we're just going to go in and add some pesto. You could add as much pesto as you want. In this, half a cup is the minimum amount. You can go in and add a full cup if you want. Next, I'll crumble in some feta cheese. This is half a pound of feta. Crumble it in. Always crumble it yourself. Don't buy the crumbled feta at the store. It tastes horrible, you guys. Mix this through and warm it through for 2 to 3 more minutes, and that's it. It's ready to serve. I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on it. This tastes delicious as is, as a side. You could serve this alongside really anything. I love to serve this with shrimp, grilled chicken. This even tastes good with lamb. Okay, so it's just that easy to make, but keep in mind, it is rich. There's feta cheese in there. Pesto has plenty of calories, lots of carbs in this, but if you're splurging sometime during the week, this is a dish to make just because it just comes together in no time and it's so satisfying and delicious. Time for the taste test. I wish I had some shrimp cooked up. I love it. So good. And that lemon goes so well to brighten it up a little bit because pesto is very rich. The feta makes it nice and creamy. I could eat this whole pot. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know how you're serving it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.